A micro video on the Discovery 3. The gear selector issue isn't fully resolved. We now got to change the seized gear selector, push the seizer, so I'll show you that now. This little assembly is underneath the car and it pivots on the gearbox, and the cable that goes to the gear selector lever goes in here and it pulls it backwards and forwards. This bush is seized absolutely solid, so there's no movement in there, so it stops the last little bit of the lever moving. So I've got all the parts off eBay, proper parts, all Brit part gear. So we're going to assemble it all and I'll put it all back and show you where it is under the car. It's actually a hopefully relatively easy job. So here are the parts laid out. This is the new actuator, that's the old one, I'm using that as my template. So we've got a new bolt, a new main bush, and the arm with the nice rubber bushing inside it, which will go that way around. There's like a thrust washer, a wave washer, whatever that's called, and then the pin. What I have done is I've marked on the cable either side with a red pen, either side where it went, so I can try and get this in the same position when I put it all back together. But let's reassemble now. I'll try and do this one-handed, but it's not going to be easy. Push goes on that side. And the thrust washer appears to go here, according to that. I think that makes some sort of sense. I'll go and quickly research that actually. Correct orientation will be bolt, pin, and cable will go through this hole here, and this washer acts as the thrust washer against here, so it'll all move. I will lube this up, but let's get it on the car now. Okay, so under the gearbox on the right hand side, here's the cable. There's a pivot here that goes into the gearbox. That's a 13mm bolt. Undo that, and then this cable is pinched via this little fellow. You slide that on and bolt it up. That's got a 13mm bolt on it as well, but you need a 21mm ring spanner around it to hold it all together. Now the camera's going to be where it is. If I can make it work, then great. But please bear with me. So on goes the arm. In theory, I'll tighten that on. I think that's there. Let's take that back off. Yeah, that's the right place. So get 13mm, the original 13mm nut, and put that on there. Tighten that back. Actually gives a good opportunity to get under here and see what I've got to do next, which is real simple. Bit of wire brushing and painting up to make sure it stays in good nick. It actually looks pretty good at the moment. Well, that changed gear. So that's park. At least that bit's alright. What we now need to do is get our cable. I put the red marker on so I know where it's going to go. Get that on there. Get a little, what appears to be some sort of thrust washer on there. I'm hoping you can see this. Not sure if you can, but and then that has to all go in through there. Put that in, get that lined up with where it was. Alright, okay. I could try tightening up there, but I have a feeling that's in the wrong place now. I'll make sure the splines of the outer meet with that little bolt that goes through. This is difficult. In theory, that should just fit neatly in. There's these little cutouts there. That's the one I want. That should fit now, that way around. I've got to orientate it so the bush fits over the little tube. It's not at the moment. There you go. That won't move now, that's good. We've got a new nut to go on. And I will try it where it is. See how it goes. It's all come out again. That's useful. There you go. Right. So now you need your 21mm ring spanner. Goes on the outside. Hold it all in situ while you tighten things up. That's not 14mm. That's going to be 12, isn't it? She's done. I changed the size of that. Yeah, I've got to get a 10, 12. I think I've not got it in the right place, but we'll have to check it and then I'll come back underneath and move it if I need to. Right, leave that there because I might need it. Yes, perfect. So I'm going to just nip it up. Okay. Different spanners, that does piss me off. Kit should match the original, should be 13. Let's tighten this back up one more time. Gear selection is nice and positive. Yeah, that's good. Smooth, light, easy. You can feel the clicks in each neutral drive, etc. So it is perfect. That is done. So that was the simple fix. Yeah. So let's get the tray back on. So you've got a bolt up here, bolt here. Just either side there's 4. On this particular car, only 3 appear to be remaining. So it kind of hooks in up top at the front there. And you can see, you can see on that. There's a bolt hole there. I've got a nut somewhere. And those are 10s. Do these up tight. You do not want them, the tray coming off at speed. Killing somebody. So do them up properly. That's not one. Oh. There you go. Right. So, other one's just here. Easy to do, 10mm. So I'll do them up by hand and then lift them up nice and tight. Okay, sock it on. Not the best filming, but I do this under a car one-handed. This is done. What an easy job. Let's do this up. Oh, socket. How do I do that? It's impossible. Come on. Right. Nice and firm there. That one. Nice and firm. We've got one more to do on the other side. Last one. Learn a quick lesson. Don't do the other side up tight because you can't move this tray around to locate the nut bolt hole. So back in. Last one. Do this up tight. Go around the other side. There you go. Right, so the car just starts super easy. It's all because of this little bush down here that rusts, not rusts, just corrodes and gets stuck. So the cable and the actuator can't just move, that little lever can't move just that little bit to go into gears nicely. So let me show you. So here we go, foot on the brake, lever, easy. Makes a nice positive step into each gear as well, and it engages without, the light used to come on in the reverse sometimes, it never used to get the gear because the actuator lever underneath hadn't moved properly. So out, foot off the brake, it won't move. On the brake, nice and easy. Command shift works as well. Neutral, reverse, it's engaging the gear, park. Let's put the handbrake back on. That is an absolutely wicked fix, dead easy. So excuse the lighting, it's got a bit dark. Got my trusty little sight light in here. So thanks for watching this little video on the Land Rover Discovery 3 gear linkage, that jammed gear linkage, apparently a really common problem. So we fixed that, done. Easy one, so please like and subscribe for more on this fabulous little car. See you soon. Bye.